Hi there, it's George here, and in today's video I have to show you update on my lipstick palm trees that I grown from seed, and this is episode 2 already, because in the first episode I just planted the seeds, they very germinated, I was very happy. Now I waited a lot of time and now it's time for update. I waited because I want to grow more, but did grow only one leaf since then, and anyway, for sure in February, or I will see when the second leaves will grow. And yeah, in that video link is in the corner. I said that this I planted 8 plants of these beautiful palm trees with red stems. I have only 3 right now because the soil dries very fast, I mean in summertime, and I lost them, but the remaining 3, that's good. As you can see how much they did grow, awesome, but I have to wait to grow the next leaf, and should be very big, and now the stem is green, but in time it will turn in red at the maturity, I don't know, but have to wait. And remaining only these beautiful palm trees that I have, and look at them how they did grow. I think they will grow more beautiful. Now I wait, and now looking forward to grow more tall. We'll see, just have to wait. Let me show you on the table here close up. Well, as you can see are the beautiful palm trees here. They are so small right now, but look at it. This is most big, and the size of the leaf, as you can see, nice. But the next leaf should be more big, I will see. And another one is here, beautiful, and the third one, more small. Have to take care and water at the time and will grow. But most beautiful are 2 of these. And yeah, I have to check the soil if needs watering or not, but I will see. Not yet, because in my room is not very hot, and in December it will be warm, or January and February, and then they will start growing. But now it's cold, and it's like they are in hibernation now and stop growing. This palm tree loves a lot of sunlight, and I have to move them outside in summertime, and then should appear red color on the stem, but I will see. And will grow big like this one. This is Washingtonia robusta seeds from Israel, and beautiful was grown by me. Amazing this looking, and in one day they will become like this one. But I have to be patient right now, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed my beautiful little palm trees that I have right now, and thanks for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. I will catch you next time with another, or maybe an update on my plants or stuff like that, and yeah, on all my plants that are here. Well, I will catch you next time. Bye bye.